Getting your 4x4 dirty is a lot of fun. Getting it clean, not so much. With Nerta products, this makes cleaning a 4x4 really quick and easy. Simply foam it up with a Sutton foamer, let it dwell for around a minute, and then just wash it backwards into fresh soap with high pressure water. Even with heavy mud, Nerta products will cut through that mud without a problem. These products are all safe on paint. So if you've got an old banger, no dramas at all. If you've got a brand new Sahara, not going to damage your paint. We have 3 products that'll work fantastically on a 4x4. The first one is Nerta's Active Diamond. If you have no polished aluminium, use Active Diamond. Safe on paint and it'll clean your vehicle awesome. Should you have any polished aluminium on your vehicle like a roll bar, we'd recommend you use Chief's Platinum Wash, as this will not streak the polished aluminium at all. For extra protection on your vehicle, we have a product called Polish, which is a nano wax. Basically you foam it over and it'll leave a layer of wax on that vehicle. It will also protect it in the future.